15 things Kendall Jenner does for beautiful and healthy skin. Kendall Jenner is one of America's top supermodels. Ever since she started modeling at the age of 14, she has been the face of multiple campaigns and magazine covers. Kendall has done shoots for the international editions of Vogue and even modeled for Victoria's Secret back in 2018. As if that wasn't enough, she's also been a brand ambassador for Estee Lauder. Maintaining a flawless face and healthy skin through this busy lifestyle is pretty impressive, don't you think? Want to know how she does it? Here are 15 things Kendall Jenner does for beautiful and healthy skin. Number 1. Apply light foundation and concealer. You've probably heard the saying, less is more, and when it comes to makeup, Kendall assures us it's the best approach. A light layer of foundation gives the model a fresh face all day long. Say goodbye to that cakey look. But applying light makeup doesn't mean she avoids a heavy-duty foundation. It's about the tone and how much you apply to your face. The Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place foundation in the nude is her top choice. And what's her trick to keeping her face oil-free but glowing? You guessed it right, a light layer of powder is the way to go. And on days when she needs more coverage, she applies concealer lightly. Number 2. Plucking or waxing your eyebrows is a no. Kendall's eyebrows haven't always been great. She mentioned to Vogue that thin eyebrows were her thing back when she was 14 years old. Plucking her eyebrows was a part of her daily routine, but things have changed now. The model suggests never plucking your eyebrows or doing it as infrequently as possible. And when it comes to waxing, you should do it even less. Jenner only plucks her brows every now and then. Also, she stays away from wax to prevent skin tears. This way, she avoids not only uneven brows, but also early wrinkles, and when she needs to fill in a gap, she uses her Estee Lauder eyebrow pencil. Number 3. Minimal skin treatments. Just like the light makeup tip, the fewer skin treatments you have, the better. In an interview with Time, the model explained that she doesn't do much to her skin. She doesn't want to, quote, confuse her skin. Then how does she get her healthy, glowing skin? Kendall explains that she prefers to take care of her face with a strict skincare regimen both in the morning and at night, and she never forgets to apply sunscreen. But does this mean she never gets a skin treatment? Of course not. When Kendall wants to pamper her skin, she'll do face masks, facials, and even steam. We'll talk more about that in a second. Number 4. A DIY moisturizing face mask. Like we mentioned earlier, Kendall only has a skin treatment every once in a while. One of her favorite treatments is a do-it-yourself mask to moisturize her face. The mask consists of smashed avocado, oatmeal, honey, and a tiny bit of lavender oil. All of them are organic, of course. After using it, her face is not only moisturized but also luminous and refreshed. She does this once or twice a week. Number 5. Also use collagen masks. The fact that Kendall prefers DIY masks does not mean she won't use fancier products every now and then. One of the supermodel's favorite skincare masks is the Purigenics collagen treatment. She recommends keeping it refrigerated. Why? Because this way the product is well preserved, always fresh, and you'll achieve better results. Besides, your skin will love the refreshing feeling you get from it. And if you don't have time to refrigerate it, just stick it in a bowl of ice. That's what Kendall does when she's in a rush, and after she's done with the mask, she rolls it into a ball and rubs the extra product against her skin. Number 6. And remember, chapstick is your best friend. The key to achieving Kendall Jenner's smooth and beautiful lips is simple: moisturizing always. The supermodel always carries a chapstick with her. She even mentioned to Allure that it's the one thing she can't travel without. Kendall knows that lips can get dry not only in the winter, but all year round, so she's constantly applying lip balm and chapstick whenever she needs to. By doing this, your lips will always be smooth, moisturized, and healthy. Even better, you won't get the crusty look when wearing matte lipstick. And if you're wondering which lip product she prefers, the Avene Cold Cream Lip Cream is one of her go-tos. Number 7. Before anything else, drink water. The first thing Kendall does right after waking up is to drink water. During her interview with Allure, she says that after a long night's sleep, she would feel watered out. Therefore, she drinks a whole bottle of water first thing in the morning. Besides, drinking water first thing in the morning flushes your stomach and helps your lymphatic system. By doing this, you contribute not only to your skin's health, but your general health overall. Number 8. Strict daytime skincare routine. After drinking water, Kendall's ready to start her morning skincare routine. First, she cleanses her skin with the Christy Kid Clean Cleanser. You're probably wondering why you should cleanse your face in the morning. Even if you completely cleanse the night before, dead skin cells and excess oil may contribute to clogging your pores. So, after the cleanser, she then applies 4 to 5 drops of the SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic Serum, which helps to moisturize and brighten her skin. Next, she sprays some Mario Badescu Green Tea Cucumber Aloe Facial Spray. Then she scrubs her lips with an exfoliating makeup wipe and applies her sister Kylie's Skin Hydrating Lip Mask. And lastly, she applies her favorite moisturizer, the La Mer Crème de la Mer Moisturizer. Number 9. Use a roller on your face every morning. Using a roller in the morning is one of Kendall's favorite things. She explains that using it helps with puffiness after you wake up. The roller also stimulates your blood flow, which helps your skin get more oxygen and nutrients. That's why she uses one every day. It also helps her feel more awake. Sometimes when she knows she's got a busy day ahead, she'll use it along with her face mask. But regularly rolling her face is part of her usual skincare routine. Number 10. Apply sunscreen every day. Sunscreen is a product Kendall Jenner swears by. For her, it's an important skincare step that none of us should skip. Her favorite one is the Elta MD UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 45. This sunscreen's formula works great with her acne-prone, sensitive skin. So if this is something you struggle with, check this sunscreen out and consider investing in it. Number 11. Never sleep with your makeup on. When you're tired, especially after a long, busy day, leaving your makeup on is tempting, but doing this will only harm your skin. Jenner mentions that going to bed with a clean face and body has the best payoff. Sticking to your skincare routine and taking a shower before bed is a crucial step to having beautiful, healthy skin. What is Kendall Jenner's nighttime skincare routine? We'll get there in a second. Number 12. And don't forget your nighttime routine. Kendall's nighttime routine is simple yet effective. After many years of trying multiple products, she has finally found the ones that work best for her skin. She starts by removing her makeup, then she cleanses her face with Proactive MD products and rinses with lukewarm water. Finally, she applies Estee Lauder's Nightwear Plus Antioxidant Night Detox Cream, which is a moisturizing night cream. Number 13. Use face steamer before bed. After a long day of modeling, sometimes Kendall's nighttime routine isn't enough. On days where the supermodel wears makeup for multiple hours straight, she likes to steam her face in addition to all the steps we mentioned earlier. Kendall uses the Everlasting Comforts humidifier with an essential oil tray. Her favorite oils include lavender and eucalyptus. And why does she do this? Well, steaming your face not only deep cleanses your skin, but also unclogs your pores and hydrates your face. Even better, it's affordable and simple. Even you can do it at home. Number 14. Don't pick your face. Resisting the urge to pick your face can be difficult, especially when you have itching breakouts. We know it, Kendall knows it, and everybody knows it. The model even jokes about it. She says that if you ever have a bad breakup, just gift your ex a magnifying mirror. Why? Well, the more they look, the more they'll have to pick. And what happens when you pick your face? Yup, you get bad breakouts and damaged skin. So remember never to pick your face, even if the pimples and blackheads are screaming at you. Number 15. A balanced, healthy diet. And last but not least, a healthy diet is one of Kendall's biggest tips for beautiful, healthy skin. After battling acne for several years, she learned that controlling what you eat is the most effective way. Keeping a balanced diet while maintaining sufficient water intake is the key here. Healthy skin is more than just expensive skincare products. These 15 things Kendall Jenner does for beautiful and healthy skin are nothing but simple. Her skincare routines include only a few products. The extra steps she does, like steaming and applying face masks, are affordable and easy to do. And now you know that you can stop waxing your eyebrows. But one thing you can't skip is taking your makeup off. Nonetheless, remember that healthy skin is the result of a healthy lifestyle. Eating a balanced, nutritious diet is just one of the steps to achieving a beautiful, healthy face. Balance all these 15 things and you'll see the result in no time. We hope this video was helpful. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing videos. We have selected these videos that we think you'll like watching next. Thank you so much for being a part of Rebela, and we'll see you back tomorrow.